Hello world! Today's video we're going to unbox, yes, the Prada Stretch Techno Sneakers. So I got this from Nordstrom. It's on sale right now. It's 60% on sale. So right now most of the designer brand are on sale. If you check Nordstrom, Bloomingdale's, Mr. Porter, they're almost the designer brand are on sale from 40 to 60%. And by the way guys, this company did not pay me for advertising their store or their online store. I just want you to know guys, where do I get this deal from 40 to 60%? I think last Friday they notify me. Before, this one is 40% and now it's 60%. So let's open the box. So number 6.5. I hope they didn't send the wrong size. Okay, so I open it upside down. So what's inside here? So just okay. Yes. So this. Prada. This color is black and yellow. As you can see, nice. Okay. I think right now this one is still on sale, but there's no more color like this. They still have the black and the black and gray. It's like it's still 60% off. So I got this like 428 or 78 this sneakers. So no bags inside. So that's okay. By the way, this is a size 8, 41 in UK. So, well, I was expecting like a little bit bulky, but it's not. So let's try this on. It's, by the way, it's the sides. This one is like a rubberized, yeah, or maybe like a silicone type. Okay, let's try this on. So, okay, no extra shoe. Oh yes, here's it. There's a bag, but 2 bags. One for left and one for right. Okay, so but there's no extra shoelace. Okay, let's try this. So let's see how it looks when you wear it. Wait. Oof. It's like a little bigger. It's a size. Did I? Well, I ordered like the size 8. I don't know. It's a little bit bigger. Like, I don't know if you can see the numbers. Is this a size? Size 7, but it's still big. So you can read the Prada Prada inside, made in Italy. What else? Nothing more. It's a little bit big in my feet. So that's. But I can wear size 7.5 to 9. I can still carry it. But let's see. Okay. Smells like Teen Spirit. No, it's like it's bigger. Wait, let me get my other my Tyrex one. I'll be back. Okay guys, we're back. So I think here the Techno it has a price for 890. I think this one the last time it's on sale, but the original price for this is like 1120, $1,120, $120. So you can see here it's like 890. I think by the time it's on sale, but I think if this is a size 8 and your a size 8 your foot is size 8, maybe you can order less size, because this one it's big for me. Yeah, but I can still wear it because this one is, I think, a 9. It's different. Like this one is my drive. Like the drive, it's on sale also. The full black, it's like 340 something. So this one is a size 8. You can see here, it's for size 41. So I ordered also 41. It's, you can see it's big. I don't know, maybe this one is a size 10 or 9. it's big, like, well, Balenciaga, you can expect that it's big. This one you can see a size 41. This one also, I can't see where's the size of it. Where can you check? There's no like size or something. They just say Prada on it. This one is also size 41. If this one is 41, it's, as you can see, it's much bigger. Like if you like this, see, there's a big difference. Look, almost, or maybe if you're going to buy, because this is the first time I have a Prada sneakers, so probably the next time I order, I'm going to choose size 41. So let me try this again and show you guys. Like this guy, I can like, and I can insert my finger. So anyways, I wish I had the white one. I think the white one is much cooler, but I think they have, I was looking for the green color or the yellow, because I love the, like this color. I love this kind of color. So, but it's been sold out. So guys, if you ordered a Prada sneaker, any model or design, so if your feet is size 8, maybe you should get a size 7 for it, or 7.5 or 40, because this one, it's big in my foot. Like this one is a size, I think a size, wait, I remember, still have. I'm back. Yes. Also, this one is Bali. This one is 9.5. So, look, I think it's a 10. I think they give me a 10. Oh my god. This one I got on sale also. Like, as you can see, it's, wait, 9.5. Can you see? What happened? Wait, I've got disconnected. Ah, it's still recording. I think it's on sale. It's one. I got it 142. This one is, as you can see, 9.5D. So, whoa! What happened? Look, it's even longer. My god. Oh man. Oh my god. Anyways guys, so I think they sent the wrong size. Oh, it's been sold out. But I think they still have the black, the pure black. They have like the size 41, 3 left, size 9, 1 left, and the gray black. It has like one for gray size 41 and one for 42. Oh my god, did they send me the wrong? How do you? But anyways, guys, I love the design. So, okay, guys. Always stay safe. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and until next time, see you. Hello world update. I was wrong. So when I check, here is the size. It's a size 7. This one, it's big for the size 7. But if you're going to order a Prada Shoes sneaker, you need to order one size down because it's big. Even this one is a size 7. It's still big in my feet. So I found this. As you can see, I think right, where is it? Here, it's a size 7. So it fit a little bit large. So when I wear it, I can fit my finger here. So anyways, I'm loving this from the white. Gladly I ordered this design, but if they had the color like this, I'm going to buy it. Okay guys, always stay safe. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and until next time.